That means Mom doesn't.
That's the same one as that one up in the tree there. They both have the bright. Yeah, that's it, Mom. You got it.
There's one in the tree.
I
Oh!
don't even have one point.
Magpie!
I don't have any point. And I see a different kind of bird.
What do you see? What's that one? Which? Oh, that's a Bornean crested firebat. So that lives in Borneo. Right here. Here's where
This bird here is
Borneo
really cool. He's
Alaska
pretty and really
here.
friendly.
Oh, that's good. I want to be the forward. It will be as big as hell. And not even shoot. And not even
Blue-billed
Whoa, look at
Karasa.
that big bone. Look at those big bones. Oh, how did I go right here? I can fly out.
I don't know what these are.
How did I get there? Your video is article.
Oh, so you fit. Vulturine
Go, Donkey,
guinea
go.
fowl.
Go, Donkey, go, go, go to it, go, go. I tell you when to stop. I tell you when to stop. Whoa.
A laughing thrush. Can you hear it, Nathan?
Yeah. Go.
Malay great Argus.
That thing is huge. Look at that big bone. Did you see it, Daddy? Look, that Mommy. Look at that bone right there. That's
I saw it.
Give her these pictures. They're gonna
Common trumpeter right in the front. Two of them.
I can take pictures of all the bones.
They prune funny. I wonder if these are like the umbrella ones that put their wings over when they look
Go that way.
in the water.
La. I put my baby on your head.
It's a little hard to see in the sliding upper left. There's one in the back. Oh, there it is. Victorian crown pigeon. That is a big pigeon. Two of them.